Okay, folks, so what we're doing today is this side's all electric. All the white wire on the top is all electric. Our stallion's in there, our stud. And I'm trying to make this line hot by using the same wire. So I'm just going to come down that post. That's that black wire you can see right there. It's going down into the ground. It's going all the way through here. I'm still going to rake that flat. And then it's coming here. And I did not come that far down here, but the post is solid. I don't want to start messing with the integrity of the post. So I went down about 2 inches. The rest of it's about 8 to 12 inches, depending on where it's at. It's going to come across here, and then it's going to come up and connect into this little flimsy wire here. But that's all we really need for the horses. And I'm going to leave this up just so anybody not paying attention is going to get electrified and trying to walk through here, because there is no gate. But we're going to put wood across here, and that way you can do a hitching post. So that's today's project, brought to you by the B-Man J in association with me. Yeah, all right, have a great day. But wait, that's not the end of the video. I have a U-nail that I put them on with, and I'm too lazy to go back down to the barn to get the hammer. So here's how redneck I am, even though I'm driving a nice big skid steer. But here's how redneck I am. It works. Now you can dispose of your hammer. The one time, many time, million years. Oh well, whatever. Now you can go. Thank you for watching my crazy videos. Wait. Hold on, one more thing. All right, so just looped it around, crimped it down nice and hard. If it would focus, there we go. And then buried it all the way down through, all the way back over to here. And then coming back up this post, crimped it around the wire here. There's actually 4 sides of that is hot. And then we have the solar one, which everybody says is really great. We got to unplug it every about 3-4 days, let it charge back up again. Probably because the sun is a winter sun and it's setting differently. I would put it in the inside, but the big guy likes to mess with it. But here's another solar charger. This one we never had to unplug, and it's actually below the wood, so it doesn't even get all the sun all the time. But that one works great. But trying to wear that one out before this one, because this one's really nice and small, and it can go camping or whatever. All because this big guy did a quick braid job on his eyes, so he might see something. Right, Duke? Big Gypsy Vanner stud. He is gorgeous. He throws beautiful babies too. All right, I think that's the end of the video. Last time, because I really need to go get my hair cut or comb it or something, but my son wants to go to the gym. So see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, whatever. You know the deal. Do it, please. It helps the algorithm, helps me get motivated to make more videos. Have a great day.